Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you one of the best baked chicken recipe. So I already washed and cleaned my chicken. It's time to season it. I used the garlic, a little bit of paprika, some creole seasoning, black pepper, and some salt. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix everything together. Make sure to get seasoning underneath the chicken skin. Drizzle a little bit of oil, cover up, and put in the fridge to marinate for about 30 minutes. Now let's make our sauce. We need 1 cup of mayonnaise, some shredded cheese, minced garlic, and freshly chopped parsley. Let's mix all ingredients together and sprinkle with a little bit of black pepper and paprika. Meanwhile, let's put our chicken to the oven for 30 minutes at the 400 Fahrenheit. When chicken is ready, take it out and cover up with the sauce that we made earlier. Put back in the oven for another 10 minutes. It's a very easy and simple recipe. I'm serving my chicken with a side of baked potatoes, but you can pick any side you like. I hope you enjoy watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time!